Wrap is being weighed into the mixer by a continuous weigh scale at the end of the conveyor, which totals the amount of material passing through it. This information is used by the batch computer. The batch control signals the conveyors and slinger conveyor when to introduce mix directly into the mixer. Notice the belt scale in the middle of the conveyor. This was an attempt to weigh the material into the mixer. This did not work well since the weight was being totaled in the middle of the conveyor, and the batch control would shut down the conveyor feed with half the conveyor full of weighed product. If the feeder feeding this conveyor fed it evenly, this may not be too big of a problem. The flow scale weighs the material as it flows off the end of the conveyor, and the batch control shuts off the conveyor once the desired weight is reached.